Love this stunning gallery with images and videos? You can add it to your Elementor website for free. No coding, no premium plugins, just PixelGallery, a powerful free add-on. First, install and activate PixelGallery from the WordPress plugin directory. It's a fast, lightweight, and feature-rich gallery plugin. It offers multiple free gallery options. Next, go to the plugin settings and ensure all widgets are activated. Now, let's add a gallery layout to our Elementor page and see how it works. Next, just drag the PixelGallery Doodle widget onto your Elementor page, then select your images and videos. Customization is effortless. PixelGallery allows you to blend images and videos seamlessly in a stunning grid layout, with intuitive adjustments using Elementor's user-friendly settings. Looking for a unique design? Experiment with grid styles. You can effortlessly adjust the column span and row span for repeater items. Under the Style tab, you can adjust spacing, hover effects, and borders. You can customize the gallery item's color and background style, modify the normal and hover colors, and adjust the font size and color of the title and meta tags to match your design preferences. Once you're happy with your gallery, click Publish and preview your page. And that's it. You've just built a beautiful grid image gallery in Elementor for free using PixelGallery. PixelGallery is fully responsive. Click on the responsive mode in Elementor to preview how it looks on mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome Elementor tips. See you in the next video. I will also include the plugin link in the video description. Don't forget to check out other WordPress related videos on our channel. Thanks for watching.